No, there's no requirement in Kenyan law or in any other jurisdiction that I'm aware of for somebody to be notified that a judgment is binding before they can comply with it. A judgment is binding as is, the very moment it is delivered. I don't have to be notified that, hey, that particular judgment is binding for me to comply with it. So there's no requirement in Kenyan law for any penal notice before filing a contempt application. If there is, I'm not familiar with it. Mr. Kokebe took a bit of time taking the court through how contrite and apologetic the governor is. That may or may not be the case. From his replying affidavits, he did not sound quite contrite to me, but I have to admit, of course, on the stand, he took a different tone. Nonetheless, Your Lordship, contrition does not sanitize contempt. Contrition may aid in mitigation, but it does not make a contemptuous act not contemptuous. With respect to, I believe Mr. Kokebe referred to the assembly being on recess and those timelines affecting the timelines in the judgment, I'm not quite sure that those submissions have any leg to stand on, but nonetheless, they veer towards the respondents trying to interpret the court's judgment before complying with it, right? And we had attempted to remind the governor to do so without being compelled. We have no other motivation other than the appointment of a county secretary to enable the residents of Nairobi to access services unimpeded. Even these contempt applications are geared only towards one thing, the appointment of a county secretary. Nothing more. Thank you, Your Lordship.
The 30th of September.
That's
We are
convenient.
most obliged, my lord.
No, the same will be delivered on the CTS or no? Virtually, we will have to attend court. For the alleged contemnants, thank you very much for coming to court. For now, I will not give any directions in regard to your attendance until the ruling is delivered. So you'll be advised in due course. So the court is adjourned.